Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my amazing YouTube channel, the MDTD Vlogs. Always good to connect with you. Always good to share my recipes with you. And let me hope that you're enjoying the contents that I'm putting out, because I'm doing that for you, for your friends, and also for your family. So let me hope that you are enjoying it. So today I have another amazing video for you. Yes, I'm going to show you how to prepare your callaloo from scratch. If you remember in the previous video when I was doing the turn cornmeal callaloo pie, I mentioned that I'm going to show you how to prepare your callaloo from scratch. So I just didn't want to keep you waiting. So here I am. I'm about to show you how to prepare it. But before we get into the video, you know the drill. You know exactly what to do. You know what I'm going to say at this point. Please go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. This is how you help me. This is how you help the channel. I'm always encouraging you, because I need your support. I need your help. I've noticed some of you are watching the video, but you're not doing what is required, right? I appreciate you watching. Don't get me wrong, but I need you to subscribe, right? So I'm going to show you how to prepare your callaloo, the Jamaican callaloo, from scratch. This is something that we get only in the summertime here in Canada. I'm in Quebec. And it's very difficult. It's not like I'm living in Jamaica, where you can just go down the street, go to the market, or even on Sunday morning you see a guy riding around on bicycle to get the callaloo. You know, we have to wait for the summer in order to get the callaloo. So I want to show you how I prepare it. So stay tuned, watch the process, and see how I prepare the Jamaican callaloo. Very nutritious, rich in iron. Right? And I don't want you to miss out on this. All right? Stay tuned. So this is what the callaloo looks like. Very nice bunch here, or bundle. All right, so let's get into the how to. All right, so let me hope you can see it. So what we want to do is just to gentle cut it. Right, and you're gonna strip it down. Right, just set that aside. You just want to strip it. All right, see what I'm doing? Because if not, when you cook it, you're gonna feel a lot of strings in your mouth, and that makes it very unpleasant to eat. All right, so you just want to set the part that you strip off aside. All right, so you strip it down as much as you can. And it takes a little bit of patience. All right, then you want to look here. You can see you start having seeds, so you want to just cut that out. And maybe not all of them will have this, but you just want to remove the seeds. All right, and like any plant, you want to make sure that you examine it properly to get rid of any impurities or any insect on the plant. Right, so we're going to wash it after, but we just want to make sure that we're not cutting up any insects. All right, so that's it. I'll strip a few more pieces so that you can see it. And like this part now, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm just going to, this is a nice leaf. So it's like peeling the callaloo, but we don't say we peel the callaloo, we say we strip it. Right? Again, you look, and here you have it again. Just want to cut that off. Get it? Very, very simple. And this plant here, it's packed with iron and other vitamins. Demonstration is good so far. Give me a thumbs up. All right, so let's strip it. Nice. So let me share something with you. If you cut the stem and you feel it hard, try to move down until you find it much softer. All right? So you don't want to have the hard part. You want to stay away from that, okay? So guys, I am through stripping the callaloo. So I'm going to give it a good wash. Make sure you have your sink clean. I'm just going to put that in there. Always make sure that your vegetables are properly washed. So once you're done with the first washing, we're going to give it a second wash. But if you notice what I'm doing now, I'm just pouring some salt over it. Just in case there is any insect on the callaloo. Now I'm going to fill the container with water and then leave it for about 5 minutes to soak. So guys, the callaloo is all washed and ready now to cut up. So I'm just going to do my cuttings now. Just grab a few pieces. I like to use a cutting board. Some people just hold it in the hand and cut it. All right. So you just want to cut it small. Let me hope you can see. So it's nothing complicated. Just as though you would cut spinach or any other vegetable. See? Very, very simple. right? So I know, like I have mentioned, there are people on my channel. You're not from Jamaica. You're from other culture. And you're not familiar with the Jamaican Callaloo. So this is especially for you. So I'm going to ask you to share it with your folks, right? And of course you can stop by a West Indian store and ask them if they have the Jamaican Callaloo and see what they say. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare the seasoning for the callaloo. So I have 2 stalks of scallion. I have half of a sweet pepper, and I'm using the yellow one just to bring out the colors. Now you don't want to add too much sweet pepper in your callaloo because that would kind of kill the taste. Then you cut up your tomato. And 1 tomato. And I also have a medium onion. And I have hot pepper. Now this one is from my garden. Extremely hot. So you have to be mindful. I am going to be mindful. I'm just going to use a small piece because you don't want to be eating your callaloo and it's uncomfortable to eat. All right, so just look at this. Color is nice, right? So you don't need much seasoning to put in your callaloo. All right, it's just like you're cooking spinach or, you know, cabbage or so on. So this is all we're going to need. Okay guys, let's get ready for the cooking. So I have about 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm cooking on medium flame. So I'm just going to add in my seasoning that I have prepared and just saute that. So now it's time to add in the callaloo. I'll just add some salt. And I'll just cover and let it steam. I'll come back periodically and stir so that we don't get any burn. So guys, let us see what I go on now for our callaloo. Smelling real good. Give it a nice stir. All right. So remember now, you don't want to overcook your vegetables. So I'll give this anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Good. So guys, final check. Let's see if we're done. Yes. This looks like it's finished. You take a stalk, you squeeze it, and look, it's finished. All right, so 7 minutes and we are done. So this is how you prepare your Jamaican Callaloo. All right, so if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. All right, so guys, I'm all finished. Dinner is served. Callaloo with fried dumpling and fried plantain. Awesome. Can't get any better. All right, so go ahead, follow the recipe. Let me know how yours turn out. Leave a comment and let me know. I would like to hear back from you, and I do hope that you will enjoy your Callaloo. Right, God bless you. So we have come to the end of another amazing cooking video. How to prepare Jamaican Callaloo. I really enjoy sharing my recipes with you. So God bless you. Bon appetit. And I do hope that you enjoy your meal as well. All right. So let me know how it turns out. And before you log off, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. I cannot overemphasize this. It means a lot to me, guys. I need you to subscribe. I need you to like, and I also need you to share. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video and also to communicate with you. God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Callaloo served with fried dumpling and plantain.